How to edit videos using Capcut. Are you struggling to edit clean, professional videos? In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to edit like a pro using Capcut, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to cut clips, add effects, music, text, and export a high-quality video ready for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. So don't skip, this is all you need. First things first, go to your App Store or Play Store and download Capcut. It's free. Once installed, open the app and tap New Project, select the videos or photos you want to edit. Then tap Add. Now you'll see all your clips arranged on the timeline. This is where the magic happens. Tap on any clip, then drag the edges to trim unwanted parts. Want to remove mistakes? Use the Split tool, then delete the bad section. This is how you clean up your video and keep only the best moments. Tap Audio, then choose Sounds. Capcut has free music you can use. You can also import your own sound or voiceover. Adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. Tap Text, then add text. Type anything you want, titles, captions, or subtitles. You can change the font, color, and animation to make your video more engaging. To make your video look professional, tap Effects and choose Visual Effects. For smooth clip changes, tap the small box between clips to add transitions like fade or zoom. Don't overdo it, keep it clean and simple. Tap on a clip, then go to Adjust. Here you can increase brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your video pop. This step alone can make your video look cinematic. Tap Audio, then VoiceOver Press Record, and speak directly. This is perfect for tutorials, storytelling, or commentary. When you're done, tap the Export button at the top, choose high resolution like 1080p for best quality. Wait for it to process, and boom, your video is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more videos like this.